It is after work, and guess what just arrived? My sewing machine.
Take one.
I couldn't wait to like go get cute before I opened it because I'm just too excited. So we're looking like this, and we're gonna go. Oh, no. Things have stopped falling. Okay, here we go. Cardboard. These are my first purchases of the sewing machine. When you need scissors to open scissors, like, please, what is that? I feel like this is the silliest problem I've ever had, but how do I get this tape off?
1 hour later.
Okay, I'm stupid. This whole thing comes off so you can put an extension table or whatever stuff there. Okay, got it. We're good. We're good.
Stop it. Get some help.
So here's the pants. They are so close to working, but they're a little bit too short on me to where they look just a little bit weird. So I want to make them a straight leg and then gather in the bottom of it so that it's more like a jogger instead of a wide-legged pant. So I really have not learned much at all, but I did learn that you follow dotted lines for making bobbin thread, and then you follow the solid lines for threading the machine.
You are really gone, for real.
I have somehow successfully made some bobbin thread. This is so beginner, and I am already like, I'm in over my head. It's fine, like, I'm fine.
Get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so this material is going to be pretty similar to the material of my pants. So I'm going to do a quick trial run with it. All I need to do is a straight stitch. So I just pressed number 1, and number 1 is a straight stitch. So I did read that in the manuals. So here we go. And it turned green. That means we're ready. So again, cut the thread with this scissor button. Okay, my first stitch, and you can't see it very well, but there it is. I think I'm ready and confident enough to try the pants now. So this part is not too different. I'm just checking the tapering to see if it's good enough. Since it has this really wide hem, and this elastic will fit in there pretty nicely, I'm just gonna break the seam here and try to see if I can just scoot it all the way in, all the way around, and see how that works. Lots of needles. Ouch. I kind of got a lot of elastic left on this side, and not very much on this side. I didn't really like make those very well, but that's fine. It just might be tighter than I expected it to be, which is fine. I just tried it on my leg, and it's a little bit too tight, and so it's not gonna match the other side, which is just gonna drive me crazy. Whenever I have one side of my pant leg that's like tighter than the other in joggers, like I just think about it the whole time I'm wearing it. So I already know I have to pull this seam out and try it again. No! So I actually ended up taking out that seam and then redoing it, and so the elastic fit again, which is so annoying. But here is one finished bottom. Other one is still loosey. That one leg of the pants took me way longer than I expected it to. So now I actually have to go get ready for a party, and so I'm just gonna have to like put this on hold and maybe do it tomorrow.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
One side has more fabric gathering on it than this side does, but I don't think it's going to be too noticeable when I'm wearing it. I think I finished. I think they look pretty good. I'm also very excited because I bought this big chunk of fabric here at an estate sale today for $8. It's kind of a linen feel. It was originally a tablecloth, but I think it's gonna make the cutest apron and other things too, because this is a ton of fabric. doesn't like lay super flat because it's kind of a linen material, and it's especially because I didn't iron it beforehand, so it's not the best, but it's fine. That's what I get for not planning. I just sewed 2 pieces flat together and then I turned it wrong side out, and I actually did iron this one. So I ironed it flat so it'd stay flat, and it's gonna go obviously around my neck, and this will be my little strap for my apron. I just need to sew it on. Hey, look at my cute little squares. Ooh, funsies.
Oh my God! Wow!
I just wanted to say thanks.
Hope you got some good inspiration to work on a project you've been wanting to do, whether it's hand sewing or with a machine or crocheting, embroidery, any kind of those things. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Sometimes it looks bad. That's okay, and that's why we try again. All right, guys, see y'all in the next video.